What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. And if I look excited, I am super excited today. I am just genuinely excited because today's vlog is on the FD. We are 100% finally gonna start working on the car. I've been waiting for months, guys, and I mean months for these parts to show up. But we finally got some parts from Japan that we needed to do this install. We also got the headlights from RX.LIGHTS, and I want to say huge shout out to my boy. I appreciate you so much, and if you guys haven't, make sure you guys go check out his Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here for all my FD boys, all my FC boys. Go check him out. Trust me, he makes crazy stuff, and he made me my one-of-one custom headlights for the RX-7. And today we're gonna unbox everything. We're gonna install stuff. I'm just excited to start working on this bad boy. The headlight covers on the FD actually flopped off. Here are the old ones, and as you can tell, there's like fiberglass and stuff back here. These don't look OEM to me, or maybe they were OEM and they just had extra fiberglass put on them. I'm not too sure, but basically here is where these headlight covers go. You have the bolts right here, you have a couple back here. As you can tell, this side is the one that actually caught on fire. If you guys haven't seen this or don't remember, and here's the other side. This basically just comes off. I'm just excited to be able to exchange these and take these off. And here we are. These are the new headlight covers that we got from Japan. But this is what I was talking about. If you can tell, the bottom side of this headlight cover looks completely different from this side. This looks like it had fiberglass and all kinds of other crap like put on it. Maybe it was already broken beforehand. This one's the same way. And it looks like they just re-fiberglassed everything to try and keep it together. Like, look at these tabs. These are all nice and good. And not all broken. Now, I don't really know too much, so you guys can let me know if I'm wrong or not, but this is like plastic, it feels like. I don't know for my FD guys. If you are an FD owner, please let me know, did I get bamboozled or not? The parts did say they were OEM Mazda, so that's what we're going with. Here's the moment of truth. We are gonna unbox these headlights from RX.LIGHTS. I'm super excited to show you guys, and this is gonna be my first time checking out these lights, so I'm super excited, guys. Now here they are, guys, in all their glory, my one-of-one custom headlights for the FD. And you guys knew I couldn't just go with any design. I had to throw some kind of anime on here. Now, of course, I went with Kakashi and Obito's Sharingan. This thing looks so sick. It came out phenomenal. The headlight looks beautiful in comparison to these old OEM ones. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and remove everything off the FD right now and get to installing everything, but I'm excited to just throw these on and see how they actually work. We're also going to fix these freaking bumpers because yeah, I can't take this anymore. So we're gonna take this front bumper off. We're gonna heat these fenders up, and we're gonna smack everything in and try and clean up these fender gaps, because yeah, that shouldn't be like that. It gives me anxiety seeing that. So like I said, I've been super stoked and just patiently waiting for parts to start showing up for the FD, but they're finally all showing up, and we're finally gonna start working on this car because so we finally have the front bumper off, and now we can kind of see the damage a little bit more on these fenders. They're pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna heat everything up as much as we can and bang this in, but you could also see where everything broke off on these headlight covers. On the driver's side, you can't see it as much, but on the passenger side, you definitely can. There's those pieces from the old. And then you have just a bunch of crap literally just everywhere in this car. But yeah, so that's the headlight covers right there, and it does look like they were fiberglass. So right now that we install the new ones, hopefully we don't have any issues. The joy of working on older cars, I just this headlight was super loose. We were in the middle of installing the driver's side one, and I tried to tighten down the bolt and it completely stripped and snapped. So it looks like we're gonna head down to Ace tomorrow and just buy some new bolts to keep that headlight in. All right, first look with the new headlights on, and they look sick. Everything is connected except for the RGB demon lights. We have to basically wire some stuff up, and I'm not gonna wire that up yet, but what we are gonna do is to try these headlights out. Let's see how they look. Oh bro, these are way brighter. Look how sick that looks. Guys, these are so bright, holy crap. I'm gonna see so good at night. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna bring these headlight like covers back to life. So this is all plastic. What we're gonna use is some of this Import Works Professional Dress All rubber, plastic, and vinyl. And this basically brings your plastic stuff back to life. Basically want to shake this up really good. You're gonna dabble some of it on here. You're gonna let it sit on there for a while so it sinks into the plastic, and it'll basically bring your plastic back to life. We're gonna install some new headlights and have the front end looking pretty. We can't have this ugly looking plastic. As you guys can see, night and day difference on this plastic trim piece. It almost looks brand new. This stuff works so good, guys, and you can literally use this on anything and everything. I also put it on this little windshield trim piece, and now look how nice that looks. Even though a lot of people won't see this or even pay attention to this stuff, this is all stuff that I know was super faded and ugly, so just changing it's the little details that matter to me. Eventually I'm going to end up changing this anyways because it's super old and brittle. It's falling apart everywhere. But I mean, even with these just mock-up headlight covers on, the FD already looks so much better than with them just missing. We will finish the rest of this install tomorrow. And we are back. We are diving straight into finishing all of this installation. For these headlight covers, I've learned with FDs, you kind of want to level everything out, the hood down, the fenders down, and make sure you place the covers to where everything fits nice and snugly and correctly. So that is what we're doing right now. And just like that, we are done with installing everything. Guys, this looks so good. You're not gonna tell me this doesn't look good. It's amazing to see the FD starting to come together. The headlight covers are actually on. Oh dude, I got low-key scared. I was like, yo, did this crack? But no, it did not crack. I got so scared. The headlight covers are on. They look good. Everything is fitting correctly. There's no weird gaps. The headlights are on. That looks so good. The blackout definitely is my favorite thing, and you guys can see the Kakashi shotting gun right there. We still haven't finished wiring everything up, so I still need to do the wiring for this, but everything is installed at least for right now. But the headlights are working. Look at that. Everything closes up and down correctly. That's one of the biggest things when you guys are working on your FDs or 240s or anything that has pop-up headlights, and you change the headlight covers to headlights, you always want to make sure everything closes, because if not, they'll get stuck on the freeway or they'll start tripping out. But everything is working correctly. Everything looks good. That looks sick, guys. I don't know about you guys, but you guys can let me know. This installation went by super good. I want to say super huge shout out to RX.LIGHTS. Alrighty, we are getting down to the last little bit of wiring. Ryan? Who's Ryan? Wiring. We got the wiring expert Mikey here. Ryan is. So what we're doing is so that the headlights have power all the time, and this is what we want to do, because you basically want to control the demon eyes when the car is off. You want to run it directly to the battery. On the FD, the battery is no longer under here. It's relocated to the back, which, by the way, I accidentally left the car off, so it's dead. We're charging the battery right now. So we're relocating these wires to the back as well. Once Mikey finishes wiring up, we got the positive wire that we're gonna run through the inside of the car, and it'll eventually make its way back here to the positive terminal. And then the negative, we have it wired up right here, and we're gonna connect it to this little spot right here. and then that should work right here. So let's finish wiring everything up, and then we'll do a test run on these new headlights. Yo, so we just are doing the test run with this, and it looks sick, bro. These headlights are so sick. Look at that. But obviously I did this for Kakashi's shotgun gun, and only one side turns on, which me and Mikey were like, I don't know if this is supposed to do this or not, but if you guys are Naruto fans, you know that Kakashi only has one shotgun gun that works. So
it just so happens to be the left
side, just like Kakashi. This is so sick. So I don't know if it's supposed to do this or not, but look how sick that looks. Guys, this is so gangster, Mikey. Scale of 1 to 10, what are you thinking? This is, bro, you never see Mikey smile like this. This man's in love. RX.LIGHTS, I appreciate you so much, because you got Mikey smiling over here. To make Mikey smile like this,
Naruto, dude.
I know.
High, dude.
To make Mikey smile like this, it doesn't happen every day. And this is my first, I've wanted headlights like this forever. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Honestly, since we're doing all the lighting right now, I'm deciding to change all the light bulbs on the rear tail lights. And dude, this driver's side fuse switch is so bad. Look at this. Looks like these haven't been changed in forever. Honestly, like, this is like freaking stuck on here. Like, you literally can't take this bulb out. So I'm gonna put some gloves on and try and take that out. But yeah, this is this is not good. If you guys have ever wondered how to take these taillights off, I just literally learned this myself. I was trying to take apart the whole car, but literally you just put them on and then they kind of just slide into place, right? Like bam, like that. So it's a pretty simple way to install and remove these taillights, just in case you guys ever get an FD and want to know how to remove your taillights. Pretty simple fix. The front turn switches, I'm gonna try and get an LED for this, and just, I don't know, maybe LEDs for both, I don't know just yet. But let's knock that out so we can complete today's vlog, and the FD will have some pretty good changes on its way. Yo, we just got the brand new bulbs. Also, what I did is I got a wire brush and I brushed the hell out of everything in there. So I just want to show you guys really quickly night and day difference between these bulbs. So these are definitely a lot brighter than these OEM ones that were in there. That should just give it a nice little upgrade to our headlights as well. I feel like that's gonna flow way better. Alrighty guys, we officially have the RX-7 put back together. And besides these headlights, my favorite thing right now is that there's no more weird gap in between the fender and the bumper. Both sides look absolutely mint. Everything is wired in correctly now. And we tucked all the wiring so there's no weird wiring hanging out. Let's just do a really quick run around of the car. Bam. Headlights on. Look how sick that looks. These LEDs are also in here, so everything looks nice and bright. And last but not least, switches. Turn signal switches are actually working on both sides. That looks so gangsta. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed this, the headlights just went down, and I don't know why my headlights are doing this. I don't know if it's a wiring problem or what. As you can see, I'm pressing this and nothing's working, so it's just super weird. I don't really know if it's a wiring situation, but FD owners, if you guys know what that could be, let me know down below. Bro, I'm so hyped on this right now. I'm so hyped on this. And obviously, let's get to the good stuff. Check this out. Come over here. Demon eyes are working as well. You got Kakashi's shotgun gun in there. We could swap this around if we want to. We can turn it purple. We can get some yellow in there, some green, some blue, some pink. This is so hard, guys. This is so hard. The FD is officially starting to go through its full body transformation. You guys let me know what you think, man. We literally, I feel like we did so much in this one video for the FD that it just looks so good now. Next, we're gonna for sure come work on these struts back here and change everything around so I don't have to hold the hood like this. I mean the trunk like this. But man, dude, this looks so hard. You guys let me know down below, man. I need you guys to give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't, go subscribe and like the other videos. RX.LIGHTS, I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys can do me a big favor, just go follow them on Instagram. Go tell them thank you for sending Paulie his one-of-one headlights for the RX-7. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, I wish you nothing but positivity and good energy. Till next time, Peace.